Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mole enchiladas updated. Begin by toasting dried chilies, seeds, nuts, and aromatics until fragrant, then rehydrate and blend with stock. Stir in toasted bread or tortillas as a natural thickener, plus a square of dark chocolate for depth. Simmer gently to marry flavors, taste for balance, and adjust salt or acidity before assembling your enchiladas with shredded chicken or beans. Heat your tortillas briefly on a hot griddle so they roll without tearing and soak up sauce better. Spoon a generous amount of mole onto each warmed tortilla, add your shredded chicken or beans and a sprinkle of cheese, then roll snugly and place seam side down. Arrange enchiladas in a baking dish, top with more mole and cheese, and bake until warmed through and bubbling for a comforting, saucy finish. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and keep recipes coming. On another note, I loved a book that reshaped how I think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs surprisingly well with kitchen projects that save time and stress. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a cup of coffee, and now let's get back to the video. Let the enchiladas rest a few minutes after baking so the sauce sets slightly and flavors settle. Sprinkle sesame seeds, chopped cilantro, and sliced raw onion for texture and freshness that cut through the rich mole. Offer lime wedges at the table to brighten individual plates, and serve alongside rice and refried beans for a satisfying, balanced meal that showcases the complex, layered flavors of homemade mole enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.